Whisper, we have a red alert. We have a red alert. A chicken alert. We haven't had chicken in a long time, huh? It's because Mom was on vacation and now she's back, we get the chicken again. I put the red light up there, which means that I'm recording something in this office, whether it's my cat eating or recording music. That's the red alert we have here now. I got it at the dollar store, in the dollar store and more, for $5 Wi-Fi enabled LED light bulb for just such an occasion. Pretty cool, huh, Whisper? We got our own little production going on. Actually, your shadow looks kind of cool down there. Yeah, it's disco, Wispy. So now, as long as that light is on in the hallway in front of my office, we can record uninterrupted. Just me and my cat and our chicken.